Cabinet Secretary George Semata issued a memo to permanent secretaries telling them that their bank balances need to stay in the positive or else civil servants' salaries could be in jeopardy. And a little birdie told me that some government workers didn't get paid this month. Harley's commented, and what about the suppliers who are not paid? Contractors, consultants and many more cannot pay their workers because government cannot pay them. Harambee is dead as government is not part of it, as you need to pay for work done or services rendered. You cannot go into a shop and take items that you need and then tell the cashier that you don't have the money. What type of government is this that is stealing from its people? Tuafeni posted, can Honourable Schletwine and Mr. Semata shed some more light on the GRN stealing from its people? Why are they not paying contractors and other services? Stop lying, people. You are holding positions of trust. Comrade President, Namibians want a true Harambee prosperity plan and not killing the backbone of the economy. And Cecilia said,